For years, American patients and consumers have been blind to prices from hospitals and insurance companies, forcing them to pay with a blank check when they need care. Fortunately, in January 2021, a law took effect requiring hospitals to post all actual prices for their services, including all insurance negotiated rates and discounted cash prices. This hospital price transparency rule is a significant first step in transforming the American healthcare system to empower patients, employers, unions, and workers to get the best quality of care at the lowest price. PatientRightsAdvocate.org has gathered all publicly available price transparency data from New York City hospitals to create the New York City Hospital Price Finder, a shopping tool that allows New Yorkers to find upfront hospital prices. Now, with just a laptop or phone, you have access to search this incredibly powerful database and use it to shop for care or to fight an unexpected medical bill and protect yourself or a loved one from overcharges. Let's see how this database can work for you by going to nychospitalpricefinder.patientrightsadvocate.org. Once you have signed in and agreed to the terms of service, you will see a map showing all hospitals in New York City, as well as an alphabetical list. After you select a hospital, you can search for prices either by entering a description or a code. Scenario 1, verify a billing amount. Look for billing codes on your bill. If you don't see any billing codes, call the hospital billing department and request an itemized bill, including all billing codes and procedure names. Perhaps you had a recent emergency room visit to Lenox Hill Hospital. Your bill will show CPT 99282 as the code for an ER visit. Enter 99282 into the code field. Hit return. The list of choices will appear. Select ER visit, scroll through the list of all health plans. Let's say you have Cigna PPO as your healthcare insurer. Here we are, Cigna PPO. Click on the bookmark to the left. This keeps Cigna PPO at the top of the list. We can see that this charge is highlighted in yellow. This means it is a median value price. The graph above shows us the range of charges from all the plans. You can now compare the $1,332 charge listed in the file to the charge on your bill. You can save the results of your search by clicking the My Results link before searching for other prices. Additional charges on your bill. Of course, there may be several charges on your bill. Let's look at another one from that ER visit. Perhaps you had an X-ray on your wrist. Let's click the X next to the description field and enter wrist. Hit return. Now choose X-ray exam of wrist 73110 and you can see the prices for that procedure. Because your health plan is now bookmarked, you can enter all of your charges from a visit and see the published rates. In this case, the negotiated price for the X-ray is highlighted in green. It is very low relative to other insurance companies. Save that information by clicking the My Results link. Always verify the charge in the file published by the hospital. This tool makes it easy for you to do that. 1, click on the price transparency file link. 2, download the hospital's file. Scenario 2, compare prices and shop. Perhaps you want to check the prices for a standard medical procedure in your area. Perhaps you need a CT scan of your head. Let's review the prices and your options. Mount Sinai Hospital in nearby Manhattan, New York. Click the X next to the hospital list. Scroll and click on Mount Sinai Hospital. Enter code 70450 into the code field and select CT head without contrast from the list. Remember, the descriptions may be different as you shop across hospitals because descriptions vary according to the hospital. Now, look for your payer from the list. Payer names can also vary according to the hospital. Here, you can see your Cigna PPO plan at Mount Sinai is listed under a different name. Choose Cigna HMO and PPO. Click the bookmark next to its name. You can see that the code for a head CT scan for MagnaCare Standard at Mount Sinai Hospital is highlighted in red. If we hover over the red bars, we see that is the most expensive charge for this service. Good things to know. Sometimes you will get an error message that says there's no price found for a particular item. There could be many reasons for this. The item could be bundled into a larger fee for service. The item may be billed under another code. the hospital file has not been updated to comply with the CMS price transparency rule, or it could just be that the tool did not find a charge for this particular item in the hospital's price transparency file. We always recommend that you look in the actual price transparency file to verify the data before contacting the billing department at the hospital. Tips. Click Search Tips on the main page to learn more about the best ways to search for information. Remember, you can save your insurance plan by clicking Bookmark to make it easy for future searches, and you can save your results by clicking the My Results link before moving on to the next charge. Hover over information icons and headings to see more information. On the results page, there is a help link next to the filters. You can always reach out to us anytime by clicking on the Report an Issue button at the bottom of each page. The New York City Hospital Price Finder will be helpful to you in shopping for care and verifying that your bill is correct. Patients now have the right to shop for the care that they need at prices they can afford. We hope you feel empowered as a consumer, as hospitals now have to compete for your business.